Be 2 weeks ready. Preparing to prepare. Activity 6. Follow along on Toolkit, page 45.
Activity 6. Build your emergency plan. Goal: develop an emergency plan for those you care about. This activity is at the heart of being 2 weeks ready. It's okay to do it in small pieces and take a little at a time. Consider tackling one activity each week or month until it's complete. The navigation tool to build a B2 weeks ready disaster plan and stash is a series of charts that helps you build your entire 2 weeks ready emergency plan and stash. Use these charts to determine what you can do in steps based on what you have time for, what is easiest and what takes the least effort to what takes the most effort, and what you can afford, lowest cost to highest cost. Navigation tool. Build a 2 weeks ready disaster plan and stash. The charts that follow can help you build your entire 2 weeks ready stash. You can do this, especially because it doesn't need to be done all at once. Use these charts to help you determine what you can do along the way to becoming ready. Categories: containers, perishable items, non-perishable items, sanitation and toiletry items, critical documents, entertainment items. Have a plan. Family members and other vital information. Establish a disaster meeting place. Evacuation planning. Family contact plan. Home safety map. Special family needs. Additional kit supplies. Pet considerations. Be prepared. Family members and other vital information. Your emergency plan. List information as follows. About the household. Include your pets so that you have vital information for them if needed. Emergency numbers. Create a list of phone numbers you may need in an emergency. Emergency numbers. Create one list for each member in your household. Insurance and legal information. Utilities. Bank information. Evacuation plan.